Alright, so if y'all want to learn how to make 3D text like this, then make sure to stick around because I'm going to be teaching y'all how to make some 3D text in Paint.net. Let's do this. Alright, so step 1 is to make our text. So there you go, there's my text. It's just going to say hello. Let's put this like, so there you go, 79 tolerance is fine. Alright, and let's use the gradient tool, and let's just drag that down, and there you go, there's our gradient. Let's go ahead and go to object, and then drop shadow, and then you could use my settings right here. Yeah, but you can customize the color however you want. There you go. There's the outline of the text, alright? And I'll link the plugins here in the description, alright? Because I'm using a plugin for this. So, let's see. Let's go to layers and then go to rotate and zoom, or rotate/zoom, whatever you want to call it. And you can rotate this in any angle you want. I may rotate in like this angle, maybe. There you go. See that? And there you go. There's our 3D angled text. And what you can do now is go to object and then trail, and then that's the wrong angle. Let's go. Yep, there you go. See that? So you can customize the distance and the direction, and I also keep fade out disabled because, I don't know, I just like it a lot better that way. But you can mess around with the settings of this. I honestly like it like this. This is cool. I like this. It's very simple to do, honestly. It's really simple once you get used to doing it like fast, you know. Very simple and very good looking, I guess. It looks really cool. Like, let's be real. This looks awesome. This is really a short tutorial because I'm not sure what else to really showcase here. I'll link the plugin in the description, and I'll also link the Paint.net download if you have not downloaded Paint.net yet. It's a very simple program, you know. It's very simple. It's good for beginners. It's good for beginners, you know. It's good for logo designing, thumbnail designing, you know, stuff like that. But yeah, that's gonna be it for now. Very short tutorial, really nothing else to explain. Thank y'all for watching, subscribe to this channel, like the video if this helped you, and yeah. Goodbye!